Hi, my name's Scott Leger. I'm the corporate chef with Omcan. I'm here to answer a few questions about the Pacojet. Yeah, actually there's plenty of recipes online that chefs around the world have been sharing, as well as Pacojet also offers a Pacojet app on your phone or computer, and they have a whole list of different recipes that are tried and true and easy to follow. This is a beaker here, and the average portions, usually you can get about 10 portions, depending obviously on what size of a portion you'd like, but the average portion, about 10 here. And the good thing about this is actually you only have to pacotize the portions that you require at the time. So if you only want half of this done, or even 1/10 of this done, 1 portion, 2 portions, 3 portions, whatever, you can actually program the machine to just do that, and then the rest to go back into the freezer and be ready for next use. Ice cream is so much better in this machine here because it's frozen solid as the base, and instead of going into a machine where it's thawed and it has to churn and go through a machine over hours, but that can develop ice crystals, which will then dilute the product, which won't give you the product that you actually want. So it's going to add water to it that you don't want, and this here, as it purifies pacotizes the product, it actually does it without heating anything up, so it won't melt the ice cream, and the technology that has in there makes it so that it's very smooth. You don't have to pass through it at the end. It's just the smoothest texture you're going to be able to get. Yes, so this has been prepped over a week ago. It could definitely go a lot longer than that. A good idea to have that is when fruits or vegetables are in season, and you want it to last longer. You can actually pick them or have the right berries in the summertime, and then freeze them, and then when the fall comes, you'll still have fresh berries and ready to go. So you definitely freeze it, probably I would say up to about 6 months. Yeah, so because, as I said before, it doesn't heat up when it purifies, so it's not going to melt any of the meat. It's not going to turn your beef tartares or your farces dark, as say a blender or a food processor would. So you're still going to have a nice bright product, and it's not to take away from that beautiful bright color you want in a tartare.